Guys, welcome back. So in the last video we have written code inside this list activity to show the record inside this recycler view. Today we are going to write code inside this detail activity to show that particular record on that item click. So inside this detail activity I have taken the card view and inside that added one relative layout and three text view for name, quantity and date to show that a particular record. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so before writing code inside this detail activity, we need to write inside this on-click listener to get the record. So first declare integer position is equal to get adapter position to fetch the particular position that on which record we have clicked. Now call the grocery new grocery and pass the context and the class in which we need to pass the data, and that will be detail activity dot class. Now with the help of intent we will pass that particular record new intent and here pass the it will be simple grocery, and inside this intent we will pass this context and class. Now intent dot put extra. This put extra method will fetch the data from the recycler view and we will pass the data inside this detail activity with the help of a bundle to get that data. Now here we will pass the string id and value will be grocery dot get id. This name must be the same which we will pass inside this detail activity to fetch that record. Now we will do the same for name, quantity and the date. Name, quantity and date. Here grocery dot get name, get quantity and get date added. Okay, and now we will pass this intent to the context dot start activity intent. Okay, so now inside this detail activity, first declare text view and integer to get the data. Private text view will be item name, quantity and date added, and private integer grocery id. Okay, so now item name is equal to find view by id r dot id dot item name. Item name detail. Now for quantity is equal to find view by id r dot id dot item quantity detail. Date added is equal to find view by id r dot find view by id r dot id dot item date added detail. And now we will use bundle is equal to get intent dot get extras. So this get intent dot get extras will fetch that data from this recycler view and we will pass it to the detail activity. So now if bundle not equal to null, so if we got some record, then we will set that data inside this text. Item name dot set text bundle dot get string, and the string will be name, and we will do same for the quantity and date. And here now grocery id is equal to bundle dot get int, and it will be id. Okay, so now let's run and check whether it is running properly or not. Okay, so now let's add record. Name will be mango, quantity will be 40, save. Okay, so if I click on this apple, I got the record, name, quantity and date. And now if I click on mango, I got the date. And on the click of delete, yes, record is deleted. So it worked proper. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe Clueless Tech.